This was kind of a hard workout. I mean, I was sweating. I was definitely feeling the burn.
You stole my heart of gold.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a lower body workout with a stability ball. There's a lot of core stability in this workout. This was kind of a hard workout. I mean, I was sweating. I was definitely feeling the burn. I was thinking this is gonna be a breeze. But let me tell ya, it was hard. So this is a very high repetition body weight workout so that we can really feel the burn. And then I will link a couple other videos that are kind of like this full body, higher intensity workouts right here or at the end of the video so you can get some more ideas as well. Everything's in the description box too, just to let you know. So you can do this at home, in the gym, you can do it wherever you want, in a hotel room if you wanted to. So let's get going, let's kill this workout, and I'm so excited. Okay, see you.
Okay, here we go with our very first superset exercise. This is 2 exercises in a row with no rest in between. So grab yourself a stability ball and a wall and make sure the wall is not slippery. I didn't have a lot of options because the gym was kind of packed today. And if you can see, this gray metal looking stuff is really slippery. So just be mindful of that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some frog pumps on the wall. So lie on your back. So heels and toes are pressing together. You're lifting your hips nice and tall, squeezing your butt, your buttocks muscles. I've always wanted to say that word. But yeah, squeeze your buttocks muscles nice and tight. After you have completed 20 repetitions of that exercise, yes, I said 20 repetitions. Are you so excited? You're going to go right into straight leg hip lifts. So heels are together, toes are out. You're doing the same exact motion, pressing your feet into the ball, rolling up and squeezing your glutes at the top. And you're gonna complete 20 of these right here. I told you, it's high repetition day. Come on, feel the burn, baby. Okay, you have a 45-second break, grab a little water, regroup, and we're gonna come right back into the same position. You're going to lift your hips up, keep them up, pull your belly button into your spine, and you're just going to roll the ball up and down from heels to toes, bending at the knee, breathing. You can balance your body with your arms. Make sure your chin is tucked, and as you bring your heels down, make sure that you are squeezing your glutes. Your hamstrings should be burning about now, but it's about to get a little bit more difficult here. As soon as we do 20 of these, you're going to immediately go into single leg. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna love this. It is so fun. Okay, so you're gonna really press that heel into the ball, press your toe into the ball, squeeze your glutes, really lift your hips, and you're gonna just give me 10 on each leg because my hamstrings were burning at this point and I'm not gonna torture you with 20 on each leg. That'd just be mean, right? But remember to keep that muscle to mind connection. Don't just go through the motions. You really want to squeeze that muscle. Okay, third superset. We're going to go into kickbacks here. So you're just going to place the ball on the wall. You're going to press your leg into the ball. So you're really working that outer thigh and your glute. You're just gonna bring it in and press it out, rolling it on the outside of your leg. So a little tip here, make sure that you bring your knee in to match and line up with your opposite knee and then press your leg straight out, horizontal. You don't want to extend your leg high into the air so that your lower back arches. So if you can see, when I do press my leg out to extension and squeeze my glute, everything is straight as a board. Nothing moves. So the only thing that's moving is my knee joint and my hip joint. You want to make sure that you are aware of what your upper body is doing. So you want to keep your shoulders back and down, pull your belly button down into your spine. Everything is nice and tight. Also, you want to make sure that your head is not hanging off of your upper torso. So what I mean by that is make sure that it's an extension of your spine. So you're just looking straight down at the ground. So everything is nice and straight. Okay, no rest. You're going right into the second exercise, which is glute kickbacks, but you're actually going to be pressing up instead of straight back. So you're pressing your shin against the ball here. Now make sure you get your body situated in a position that feels comfortable for you and that you can roll that ball up and down the wall. Now if you can see, I'm kind of helping one leg with the other leg. If you remember me earlier saying find a wall that's not slippery, this is why. The ball just kept sliding and that's no bueno. So I was really having to use my opposite foot to like stabilize the ball so that it wouldn't slide. But you won't have a problem with this if you just find a regular wall. As you can see, my elbows are on the ground, so I'm kind of at a decline here. And again, my belly button is to my spine. I am sucking it all in, making my tummy nice and hard to stabilize my body with this exercise. Okay, here we go with a tricep. So this is 3 exercises in a row with no rest in between. And we're gonna do leg press. So again, find what is comfortable for you. And you're going to put your feet nice and wide in a sumo position. Hands can be behind the head, between your legs, one hand behind the head, whatever feels best for you. If you have neck issues, you might want to have one hand between your legs and the other behind your head. Remember to really squeeze your glutes as you come down and then squeeze and resist as you come up. So you have 20 repetitions right here of a wide sumo, and then you're going to go ahead and bring your feet together about hip width apart and go ahead and give me 20. Make sure that all your joints are lined up. So your ankle joint, your knee joint, and your hip joint is all lined up in a row. So make sure that your knees don't bow in or fall out to the side. Okay, adjust those heels so that they're together, toes are out, and we're going to bend and extend here. Same motion we've been doing. And we're gonna do 20 here. Now, as we come down, we're going to let our knees fall to the side. As we press out, you're gonna squeeze your inner thighs together as tight as you can. So this is really gonna give you some nice sleek inner and outer thighs for those summer short shorts. Who doesn't want that? I sure do. Who here is looking forward to summer, or do you just love the winter? I'm super curious. Tell me in the comments below what your opinion is. Okay, here we go with single leg squats. You are just going to roll the ball from heel to toe. As the ball comes into your body, you're going to lift that heel and press the toe into the ball. Lift the knee nice and high. Squeeze those glutes, pull your belly button into your spine, and then you're gonna extend your leg again, pointing your toe to the ceiling and squatting your hips back to the wall. So if you're a beginner, you can always hold on to the wall while you're doing this, but don't hang on to it. Try to really balance yourself, but just watch how my hips are sitting back to the wall behind me like I'm sitting in an invisible chair. So my knee stays behind my toe as I sit back. My belly button is pulled into my spine and your back stays nice and flat. Now, if you can only go down just a little tiny bit in your little squat, then just do what you can. We all start somewhere in our fitness journey, and you never know what you can do until you actually try. And another thing, if you try this and it's so hard and you feel like it's impossible to do, I want you to keep trying because there's something called muscle memory. And I promise you that your muscles are gonna catch on so dang quick. You're gonna be very surprised. So for the beginners, hold on to the wall. You can put a chair behind you, sit back into the chair, sit down, and then stand up. Or just sit back against the wall and tap your butt against the wall and then stand up. So there's plenty of modifications for you beginners out there. I got you, boo. Okay, now that you're almost dead, you have one more tricep exercise to go. Your heels are together, toes are out, and knees fall to the side as you squat down. Okay, and we're working our calves here too. So lift those heels so that you can really feel your calf muscles working. The ball stays on your upper back and rolls to your lower back. Make sure that it doesn't go onto your glutes or onto your neck. This motion should be nice and fluid, straight up and straight down. You don't want to bounce up and down on that ball. Second position, you're going to come in with your feet hip width apart. Heels are nice and high. You're on your toes again. Oh my gosh, this is burning like crazy. Look at my face. I'm in pain. Okay, so your knees are lined up with your ankles, your toes, and your hips. So you just really want to control everything. Pulling your belly button into your spine, squeezing your glutes nice and tight, and keep resisting. We are almost done. Third position, wide sumo squat. You're just flat-footed on the floor. Remember, knees stay behind your toes. This is actually a perfect way for a beginner to learn how to do a sumo squat because you're in a perfect ergonomic position. So practice this, and then soon enough, you're gonna be doing squats with the barbell. All right, I'm all done. So if you have any questions on form, let me know in the comments below, and I will see ya later. Bye, guys.
Well, what'd you think? Did you like it? Tell me in the comments below what you guys thought of that workout. I know it looks really easy. I know what you're thinking. You're like, girl, and that looks too easy. I can do that all day long. Think again. This type of workout is just gonna shred you right up. It's gonna lean out and lengthen your muscles, get you nice and toned everywhere, and you're gonna be loving life. Summer is coming up. It's right around the corner, so you gotta start now. Summer bodies are made in the winter, they say. Bodies are made year-round, FYI. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I know you never want to miss this face. Because I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Be safe. Love you guys.